Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Learning Scratch with Miss Nuria. We'll continue on exploring the event block. Now, previously we have seen this one. When we press the up arrow, the sprite goes upward. Now I'm going to copy this one, okay? Don't because I want to add another function, okay? Now, when I am pressing the up arrow, this one is going to make it move upward, and this one I will hit on this to change it to down arrow. So you can have multiple scripts written for the same sprite, right? Okay, now if I want it to move downwards, it should be a negative number, negative 10. Okay, now let's run the program. If I press the up arrow, the sprite moves upward. If I press the down arrow, it moves downward 10 steps. Same way, I can also copy this one, duplicate, and change this one to right arrow. Okay, now for right arrow, we have to use the X coordinate. So I'm using this one. So when I'm hitting the right arrow, I want the sprite to go to the right direction. And for the left, let's move this one upwards to make some space and duplicate this one. Then make this one a negative number for going to the left. So that way we'll be able to move the sprite in all directions using the 4 arrow keys. That's it. Interesting, right? I hope you do the same practice on your computer. Thank you for watching.